Today, let's dive into free resources that every game developer needs. Whether you build small mobile game or larger PC or console game, you will need game asset. Today I will show you a few different websites which I use to get some graphics and 3D models to my games. I will show you both free and paid websites so you can choose. Synty Store. This is a very popular website among different developers. Lots of them taking their assets from this website. As you can see, you have a lot of promotions running on this website. You can see some promotion on the Unity Asset Store on their website itself, so you can get the discounted assets, sometimes even in the bundle. You have different series. You have some Polygon series, which is more for the PC gaming, as the asset is much larger and the polygon counts is a bit higher. But also you have the simple series, which is I believe mainly designed for the mobile. As you can see in the description, mobile ready. So they are optimized to have the least polygon counts, so it's not very expensive on the mobile devices. But if you want to get some free assets from this website, you can also scroll right at the bottom, where you can see the Polygon store and you can get the free assets from there. So just click free assets, and this is the asset you basically can get for free. Just add to cart, and then once it's in the cart you can check out and the price will be 0. So as you see, this is the 0, so this asset is completely free and you can get it without paying anything, and you can use it in your game. So you have multiple of them. If you're looking for any 2D game assets, there is no better place than going to the CraftPix.net, and as you can see on this website, you have many different assets which is available for the membership, for the premium membership, and the membership is actually quite cheap for this website, so you can get all of this. And as you see, there is lots of interesting game assets ready for the mobile games, so you can get idea for your next mobile game, or you can actually use this asset to create one. So inside the membership area, you can see you have like a monthly $15 per month, or you can get the yearly subscription, which is running at $4 per month. So this is not very expensive, and you can use this asset as many as you like in multiple different projects. I especially like some of them. This is very nice pack, the platformer game kit. I used this pack in some of my project in the past, so this is very nice nice website, and I really recommend it. If you don't want to buy the membership, you can also get some free assets. If you hit the freebies, you can get some free background, free animated sprites, and different items which is ready to use in your game. So go ahead and check out this website. Another great website for the 2D assets is the OpenGameArt.org, and this is the website where you can find a collection of multiple different 2D assets, some sprites, some ready projects. You can find a lot of them. It's very interesting. You can actually search through the collections. So as you see, there are some collections for the 2D game collection, and you can find tons of different tile set, different assets. You can actually go to the browse and you can search through 2D art or 3D art if you're more interested in that. You can get texture, music, sounds effect, documents. You can also check and then search asset by the licensing. So you have different license available over here. You can select which one is more applicable for you, and in this way you can be sure that any asset you get from this website have this license which you selected. But also just double check on every single asset you use that the license is actually appropriate for you, so there's no surprises later. Another website, which is my website, CodeplanStudio.com, you can check it out. You can go and download section, and you can find free assets for you to download. This is really just the game pack, which is applicable to the tutorials I released on the YouTube. So you can get any of it and then use it for your game as well, if you see it suitable. You can also grab the ready project which I made, and this is basically, you can download the fully made game in the Unity, compile it and release it as your own, or modify it. You have the license attached to each of the projects, so go ahead and check it out. And also, if you are interested more on the tutorial side, you can check out my YouTube channel as well, which is the CodeplanStudio.com, where you can find multiple different tutorial series: Sudoku, word searching game, pyre matching game, quiz games, puzzle games, and everything on the mobile game. You can check it out, follow the tutorial, and have the complete project if you don't want to purchase any of this project by yourself. Another great website which I really like is the Kenney website, where you can get the free assets and the paid asset as well. So you can scroll through this website to see what exactly this guy is doing, and you can actually hit the get free assets to get some free stuff. And you can have some, you can choose whatever you like. Maybe you need some icons, maybe you need the tower defense kit, everything is there. Or you can get the bundle as well, which is really great. And the bundles are paid, so if you hit the bundle, you can see that this is cost actually 19 US dollars, and you have multiple different bundles inside. So as you see, there is a lot of asset, and basically the Kenney is updating his asset very often. So this is actually more stuff he's adding every single month. So this is really great website. I really like it and really recommend you check it out. UnrealEngine.com is another great website where you can get some free and paid assets. If you go to their website, Unreal Engine, and go to the marketplace, hit browse, you will be directed to their asset store, where you can get the paid and then free assets. So you can purchase anything, you have the price displayed. But if you want to get free assets, go under the free category and you can browse through the list. But what is very nice they're doing is actually they're releasing free asset for the month. So every single month, Unreal Engine releasing the set of free assets, which is available for free only in the certain month. So as you see, for example, for this turn-based strategy RPG, this asset is free now, but usually costs $99.99. So this is very nice. Some of the assets are only used within the Unreal Engine, but some of them, like art, can be used actually outside. But just make sure you check the license yourself for the Unreal Engine for any assets you purchase or any assets you want to use. HumbleBundle.com is another very popular website where you can get some assets. So they usually running some sales. So if you go under the bundles, you will see all of the bundles which they have running currently. And as you see, most of them are just the games. But if you scroll down, you have some books, and also there is a very nice bundle. Actually, at the time when I'm recording this video, is the Synty bundle. So you can pay anything from £76 up to the 24. The currency will be different depending on the region you're living. So if you choose the tier you want to buy, you can get different number of the assets and then different assets. So you can decide how much you want to spend. If you spend more, then the third tier is actually nothing extra to be added for you. It's basically just paying more to support the Humble Bundle. So this is a very nice website, and as you see, you can have tons of assets. Check out their website regularly because they're releasing some bundles which are very interested, especially for the game developers. Another popular one, the Unity Asset Store, which is very popular among the Unity developers. Their asset store is very good, and then they also running a lot of discounts on their products. So check it out regularly for some sales, especially around some Christmas and some September. I believe they're doing some sales. So this is very great website to get some Unity tools and also some 3D GUI, 3D models, 2D assets, and so on. So this is a great website and is very popular. Probably most of you already know this. Sketchfab.com is another website where you can get some 3D models, and this is actually a very nice website. So go to the main website, go to the Explore or buy 3D models, and you can basically get some, for example, on the Explore you can have the downloadable to get some free stuff. So as you see, this corridor is free. And what is nice about this website, you can actually see the model by yourself. You can zoom it, zoom out, you can move around and then check how the model looks from inside and then outside. And some of the models are very nice, and they all of the models that they presented at the website are very nicely done. But this is more on the PC side, I believe, as this model is probably one of the bigger one. So check out yourself, they have very interesting stuff. And if you decided to, for example, get this free model, you can scroll down, hit this download 3D model, and then you'll be able to download it. But you also can buy some models. So under the models you can get the best selling, for example, and you have a lot of very nice models. For example, you have the low poly ultimate pack, which you can get, and as you see, this currently costs $120, so the price is not too high, but the quality of the models are very nice, and it's actually, it can be used throughout different range of the projects, and it might be helpful for you. So go check out this website, they have great stuff in, and you can spend hours on it. The ArtStation.com, another great website with 3D stuff. So over here you can have tons of different 3D models, and you can go to their website, go to the shops, and then marketplace. And as you can see, you have a lot of different models. The price is not too high, but just to be aware, any model you decide, for example this house, you can get two types of license, the personal license and then commercial license. The price is different for each of them, so go read ahead the license type and which one is more suitable for you. But the quality of the models are very good, and you can have some seems like they are attaching some videos from the models, and you can buy it directly from here. So you have tons of different models, tons of different arts. Go ahead and check the website, it's really great and you can spend a lot of time on it. The TurboSquid is another website with 3D models. On this website you can get some free models. If you hit on the free models on the main website, you have some free assets which you can use. For example, this one. And actually the quality of the models is very high on this website, and some prices are as well are really high as well. So just to be aware, you can get some paid models as well if you want to buy something. So you have like different type of models, for example these animals, and you can have tons of different realistically looking animals. For example, if I select this bird, as you see, the price is not too high for this, but some of the models are very expensive. So for example, this cat is $200, but this is really nicely looking cat, and the topology for the mesh is really good as well. So go check it out, check out this website, and see if you find anything for yourself, for your model. Seems like they have some low poly models as well. So the low poly models is basically for very good for the mobile. So you can find some assets over there as well. So this one, Warrior Pack, is for $1, which is very cheap. And yeah, I think this pack even can be used in any of the game, any of the mobile game. You can find all of the links for the websites I presented in this video down below in the comment section. If you like this video, subscribe now and leave a like to show your support. If you have any other website, leave a comment to make this video a complete resource to anyone who is looking for game asset. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.